How your clients can e-sign joint returns. Before sending a joint return for signature, decide if you want to allow your clients to sign without logging in. This is defined under the firm settings. For this example, we will toggle it on to ensure they access their documents securely. Next, verify that the client's account has 2 contacts linked to it. Since we need signatures from both spouses, ensure that spouses have different email addresses linked to the same account. Additionally, ensure that both spouses have portal access, as they will need to log in to sign. Right above the list of contacts inside the Info sub-tab, there is a Signer Priority button. Click on it, and you will be able to define the contact's signing order. For married couples, you would likely want to place the main taxpayer as Signer 1 and the spouse as Signer 2. This will be useful when applying a signature template for a married couple. Signature fields for both spouses will be added automatically, making the process smoother for the second signer with fewer steps required. Once everything is set, it's time to upload the document and request signatures. When requesting a signature from a married couple, the process closely resembles that for a single signer, except for the inclusion of additional fields for the spouse. To speed things up, you can apply a signature template, which will automatically place all the necessary fields and maintain the signing order you previously configured in the Info sub-tab. When you're done, you can either send the document to the client straight away or save it and send it later. Now, let's look at the process from the client's side. The client will receive a notification, open the document, sign it, and click Submit. When you log back into the firm's account, you'll see the document status as partially signed, since only one spouse has signed. Once the second spouse signs, the status will update to signed.